The third biggest problem I see with service businesses is setting expectations. It goes back to kind of the communication. Our one biggest problem is communication, and this all kind of falls in line. But this being what I see as being the third biggest issue with most service businesses is not setting expectations with the customer. So understanding exactly what the customer wants and letting them know what is possible through the service that we provide. So if somebody's wanting a house repaint or somebody's wanting an exterior repaint, we need to set expectations on exactly what they should expect at the end of the trail. It goes right along with that communication thing, but we want to walk with you through that process and help you better understand why there's limitations to certain things and why you can expect certain results based on a substrate. For instance, like brick home exteriors, there's a lot of people that really like to paint the outside of their house that's brick, and that's a little bit controversial, but we do that. We paint brick, and we have to set expectations to understand, hey, brick is something that you never have to touch, with it just being itself. Once it's done, it's done. And then when you paint it, it becomes a maintenance item. So no matter what paint you use, there's no magical paint that lasts forever. You're gonna get 7 to 10 years with the best primer and paint combination on that, and then it's gonna have to be redone. So that's an example of setting expectations. So the third biggest problem, service businesses aren't setting expectations properly, and we need to do that from the jump. Rodgers Painting has implemented a plan to start from the sales process where we first talk to you, setting those expectations up front to say, hey, listen, here's the limitations of your substrate and limitations of the paint products that we have to work with. So is this the product that you want? This is what it'll look like at the end of the trail. I think that'll really help you guys.